incoming seed scale goes to 2 IMCO decorticators up this Sedanga leg into this live bottom bin. Product comes out of the live bottom bin through that U-trough, up that vertical auger, over that U-trough, that gray U-trough up at the top, and then feeds the 12-inch Anderson Docks extruder. Materials discharged into this S-drag conveyor where it transitions into that U-trough up at the top and feeds the 12-inch Anderson Docks expeller press. Crude cottonseed oil goes into this holding tank and then is pumped via pipe over here to the number 18 Anderson screening tank where the fines are removed, and then the crude oil is sent to the crude oil storage tank before being sent outside. The fines are discharged out of the screening tank through this U-trough and recirculated into the process. Expeller cake is discharged on this end of the press, fed up this vertical auger into that conveyor, over into this vertical cooler. Vertical cooler discharges the material at the bottom, which is then run over to this bliss hammer mill for final grind. Discharges at the bottom, runs over to that vertical leg, to that gray conveyor, and to a finish outgoing scale for finished product.